Hello everyone, in this video I will tell you how to change the format of your time which is visible on the left hand side top corner. So let's see how we do that. So go to your setting of your phone and tap on general management. You can also search it right away, right? And then you have to click on date and time. Here you can select the format if you want to use 24-hour format or not. Here it is mentioned use 24-hour format. If you click on that, then you will get the green color on and you can see that 24-hour format will be visible, right, instead of that 13, 14 or 15. So it is quite difficult to understand by that format if you're in a hurry or you don't have the habit, and that's how it is. See you in the next video. Tada. And make sure that your automatic date and time is on. That will help you.